Recording.
Hey, welcome to US129, Tail of the Dragon, Teal's Gap. On a Monday afternoon, it is 12:40 and warm. I've already seen one trooper leaving. Let's hope that he does not have any friends. No one coming at me has tapped their helmet, so that's positive. This is July 6th, and when I tell you that traffic is terrible here in the mountains, trust me on that. Most of the back roads that I've been on today, the traffic's just been clogged up with out-of-state tags, campers, RVs, everybody heading home. So if I make it out tomorrow for a ride, tomorrow, Wednesday, should be pretty good as long as it doesn't rain. I think it's going to rain today. The weather forecast said it wasn't supposed to rain until about 5 o'clock. But the dark clouds in front of me, heading to Teal's Gap, says it's going to rain. I don't want to get wet today. But maybe I can make it through here and back to the house without hitting a torrential downpour. It's been a pretty day though. It was 75 when I left the house. It's probably 80 something right now. I'd guess about 82, 83 right now. This bike does not have a temperature gauge, so I don't know. Oh, wow. The car was smiling at us. Please pull off, please pull off, please pull off, please pull off, please pull off. Thank you. Oh yeah, it looks bad over there. It looks bad where we're going. Oh. This might not be our lucky day to stay dry. That dude will catch us in a minute. Just for a heads up. I'm pretty sure he just lives here. I've already done over 100 miles of good roads today. And this one just happens to fit into my route that I take often. But I have not yet had the urge to just sit and ride this road back and forth, back and forth. I did that with my 848 when I bought it. 500 miles anyway. All my braking miles were done on this road. 129 photos. Say there's not many people out here today. They must be all the ones I had to get around on all the other roads. This is quiet for a holiday week. Bet I don't get the front page. I'd love to have a good picture of this light going through the twisties. I just don't want to pay for it. Man, it's getting darker. The further down we go, it's getting darker. Oh, I don't want to get wet. Don't want to get wet. Me almost want to turn around and go back the other direction. Oil, that oil's gone. The Cheer Hall is just covered in gray sky. We're covered in gray sky right now. We might be able to make it through. Behind us is blue skies. Corvette can't keep it in his lane. Florida. Where's Florida? Use pull off. Use pull off.